Today on my cooking channel, we're making healthy juices. I'm using kale and I'm using carrot. This juice is good for high blood pressure. If you trouble with high blood pressure or have cancer, please to make this juice. It will keep down your pressure and keep you intact. Very good. Make this juice. If your wife is saying you're lazy down there, drink soursop juice. Also, use the soursop to build your nerves. And use the soursop leaf to boil tea and drink the juice. Very powerful. You ever see some big belly woman yet and you're not pregnant? Them have fibers. Use the gooseberry and the oats with the lasco, no banana. It will detox your body and remove the fat. If your belly is blocking your car entrance, drink this juice. Morning, lunch and dinner. 1 month, it will move that belly. Every minute, especially man, I suffer from kidney problem. Drink tamarind juice and it will make your kidney young again. It no matter how old you be. See the liquid circulate, show it off and set more and drink it. Make your kidney strong and healthy. You can get it. I will make it for you. A full time no man stop suffer from kidney problem. Drink tamarind juice. Carrot juice, good for your eye. Watch the video.